This video is brought to you by the new digitaldjpool.com. At this website, you guys can go and find all of the tracks that you're going to need. They have thousands of tracks and they update their lists daily. They're only $1 for the first 5-day trial, so that way you can download up to 50 tracks every single day in order to get the tracks you need. And then after that, if you want to continue with the service, it's only $15 a month and you can download unlimited tracks with that membership. All their MP3s are 320 kilobytes per second in high quality, so that way you're always going to get tracks that sound great every single time. So go on and check them out at www.digitaldjpool.com.
What's good? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a quick rundown video review of the new Denon DJ DS1 2-channel professional sound card for Serato DJ. So what we have here is a really compact and very durable device. It's a 2-in, 2-out sound card, meaning you have 2 sets of RCA inputs and 2 sets of RCA outputs in order to give you 2 channels of digital vinyl system goodness, especially when you get it with Serato DJ. So this is an interface for Serato DJ coming in at a price point of only $299 that allows you guys to connect your old school or analog style mixers, as you guys can see here, the DJ Craze SA12 or the 07 Pro from Vestax, which is in my collection, which I wasn't able to use with Serato DJ unless I had an interface such as what you see here. Before this interface came out, there was the Rain SL model of interfaces, and those actually cost upwards of $499 or more depending on how many channels and how many extra inputs and outputs and USBs and different features and functions that you guys want. But this is coming in at only $299, which is an excellent affordable price point, and you're getting a really nice device here. You also get everything in the box that you guys need. It comes bundled right with it. You get your 4 RCA cables, you get the interface, of course, you also get your USB cable, you also get the full Serato DJ license, you also get the Timecode vinyl and Timecode CD, so that way you can use this either with your vinyl turntables, or you can use this with your CDJ style decks, or you can even use it with your HID style decks and still have a mixer that will correspond to what's going on with your decks. So it's very good solution, very good setup and system. Again, very low latency, so every time you're scratching, every time you're working out on the turntables, it's going to pick up every little nuance and everything in your performance as it should. And it's just very affordable, it's very durable, low latency, and it comes bundled with everything you guys really need to get you started. On the downside, it doesn't have an additional input or output for things like routing through it your SP6 sampler, or for recording your mix. You're only stuck with the 2-in and 2-out, so you only have 2 channels here. And you also only have 1 USB port, which means when you're switching over or changing over for multiple DJs in a venue or in a bar or club situation, you don't have the option to use 2 different computers at the same time. But again, at this price point, you're not going to get that type of functionality, but you are going to get a really high quality compact device that allows you to use Serato DJ with your record decks or with your CD decks, just with your analog mixer and with your 2 channels. Really cool device. If you guys want to see more about this, you can head on over to our website at www.djbooth.net/DJS, or click at the link at the top of this video description. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe so you can get more videos just like this. And as always, thanks for watching.